In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Multilingual to expand your website's reach by adding multiple languages effortlessly. This feature enables you to cater to a global audience, making your content accessible to more people. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Wix account and have your website open in the Wix editor. This is your starting point. From here, head over to the dashboard and you'll see a menu option labeled Settings on the left side. Click on that, then choose Multilingual from the drop-down menu. This is where all the magic of adding and managing multiple languages happens. Now that you're in the multilingual settings, it's time to add a new language to your site. You'll notice a few options here, but what you're looking for are the features to add languages. Simply click on it, and a window will pop up displaying a list of available languages. Choose the language you want to add. It might be Spanish, French, German, or any language of your choice, so select carefully to ensure it aligns with your target audience. Once you've selected your desired language, Wix will automatically create a duplicate of your site in that language. This is a crucial step as it lays the groundwork for seamless translation and customization. But wait, don't worry about translating everything manually. Wix has got you covered with its efficient translate feature designed to simplify your workload. With your new language active, you'll want to begin translating your content. Head over to the multilingual dashboard and you'll find the option to translate content. Clicking on this will open a list of all the pages on your site. You can either translate content automatically using the suggested translation options or manually enter translations using your own expertise or resources. Keep in mind that while automatic translations are quick and generally accurate, reviewing them for precision and tone is recommended, especially for critical pages or business-specific jargon. After translating the necessary content, it's essential to preview your site to see how it looks in the newly added language. Ensure that everything aligns correctly, from text and images to navigation and overall layout. This step is vital as it helps maintain the high quality of your site's presentation across different languages. When you're satisfied with the translations and your site's look and feel, it's time to publish. Head back to the multilingual dashboard and you'll find a publish button for the translated version of your site. Click on it and Wix will update your site to make the new language option available to visitors.